Ever had a secret so good you needed a lock to protect it? That's exactly why the internet uses something called encryption.
This diary is safe because only you have the key. Nobody else can peek inside.
Websites have secrets too, like your password. So how do they keep it as safe as a locked diary? Spoiler, it's not just a lock. It's something even sneakier. It's called encryption, a way of turning secrets into a puzzle nobody else can solve. Let's find out exactly how that puzzle works. A password is like a secret code for a door. Type the right code and it opens. Just for you. On websites, your password protects your own treasure chest, your photos, games, and messages.
If someone else doesn't know your password, that door stays locked tight.
But wait, what if your password is too easy to guess? Passwords like 123456 are like leaving your key under the doormat. Anyone can find them. A strong password mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Much harder to guess. Much harder to guess.
Encryption is a lot like a spy's secret code, like this decoder ring.
Spies shift each letter by a few spots. A becomes D, B becomes E, turning a message into gibberish. So hello becomes cour. Total nonsense to anyone without the ring. Without the secret trick, nobody can read it. Huh? But computers use codes much trickier than this. Computers scramble your password using giant math puzzles, way too hard for humans to crack by hand. It turns your password into a long, jumbled code before it even leaves your device.
Here's something cool. Websites don't even save your actual password. Wait, what? Then how do they know it's really you?
Think of it like a smoothie. Your password gets blended into a scrambled mix called a hash. Once blended, you can never turn a smoothie back into a whole banana. And it's the same with a hash.
The website only stores the smoothie, never your real password.
Next time you log in, it blends a new smoothie and checks if it matches. If it does, you're in! Now imagine you're mailing a secret letter across the whole country. If the box isn't locked, anyone along the way could peek inside. Not safe! So what if we locked the box, but gave the key only to the person receiving it? That's the genius trick! Websites use a special key that locks boxes, but can't unlock them. Only the real website has the matching key to unlock it. This is called encryption in transit.
That's why you see a little padlock next to website addresses. It means your data is locked up tight.
Let's compare two passwords, like a boxing match.
Weak passwords fall in seconds. Computers can guess millions of tries every second. But a strong password? It barely budges. Longer passwords with mixed letters, numbers, and symbols are exponentially harder to crack.
That's why grown-ups say, make your passwords long, weird, and different for every site.
Some people even use a special app called a password manager to remember tricky passwords for them.
Imagine a bank vault with just one lock. If someone steals the key, they're in.
So what if the vault needed 2 different keys, held by 2 different people?
That's exactly how two-factor authentication works. Your password plus a code sent to your phone. Even if someone steals your password, they still can't get in. Without your phone, too. One key alone just isn't enough anymore. It's like having a superhero shield. Double protection for your account. Sometimes, websites get attacked by hackers trying to steal information. But remember our smoothie? Even if a hacker steals it, they still can't turn it back into your real password. That's the power of good encryption. It protects you even when things go wrong. Companies work hard to encrypt everything, so even a break-in doesn't reveal your secrets.
That's why using a different password for each website matters too.
If one door gets picked, your other doors stay locked and safe.
Encryption protects way more than just passwords. It guards your games, messages, even your allowance money.
When your family shops online, encryption keeps card numbers safe from thieves. In fact, encryption is working all around the world, right now, protecting billions of secrets. Hospitals, banks, and schools all use encryption to protect important information. So every time you see that little padlock icon, you know encryption is quietly doing its job. It's like a silent superhero, guarding your secrets 24/7.
Let's recap. A password is your secret key.
Encryption scrambles it into a puzzle no one else can read. But websites actually store a scrambled smoothie version, never your real password.
Pretty amazing how much protection happens every time you log in, right?